Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have a ton of clearance items and a huge penny list to go over. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now y'all keep in mind that all of the clearance markdowns and penny items that we're going to go over in this video will be effective starting on Tuesday, November the 8th. Alright, so first up we're going to go over the penny list, and the number one rule to penny shopping is do not ask the employees about penny items. All you have to do is go into your Dollar General store, scan the items that I'm about to show you all in this video with your Dollar General app. Make sure that you have your correct store location set, and if it shows 000 or 001, that means that that item is a penny. Alright, so first up on our penny list, we have the Starkist Chicken Creations Barbecue Flavor 2.6 ounce pouches. The UPC code is on your screen there, and starting on Tuesday, these will be a penny. Alright, next up we have the Morris Star Chili with Beans 24 ounce cans, and again the UPC code is right there on your screen. Alright, next up we have the 3 ounce Bumblebee Fat-Free Tuna Salad Kit with crackers. Next up we have the Heinz Homestyle Roasted Turkey Gravy 12 ounce jars, and I'm surprised that these are pennying out right now because Thanksgiving is literally in just a couple of weeks. Alright, next up we have the Good and Smart Dried Banana Chips 8 ounce bags. Now these have been in a couple of my store's clearance aisles for quite a while, so don't forget to check out that clearance section. Next up we have the Ozarka brand 100% natural spring water bottles, the 33.8 ounces. Next up we have the Ice Mountain brand 100% natural spring water. Again, this is a 33.8 ounce bottle. And we also have the Deer Park brand 100% natural spring water. Again, a 33.8 ounce bottle. Next, we have the Clover Valley Evaporated Milk 12 ounce cans. And we also have the 24 ounce cans of Quaker Yellow Cornmeal. Alright, now for our next item, I'm sure some of you all saw this, but just in case you didn't, on Saturday we had a surprise penny item at DG, and that was on the Bobby Brooks leggings. Now, there were tons of different patterns included in all of the sizes, so if you guys spot any of these at your DG stores, make sure that you pick those up and scan them. Now, be aware there are some like joggers and yoga pants that look very similar, so again, make sure that you scan those to double check that those are in fact a penny. Alright, next up, if your stores still carry clothing, you guys want to be on the lookout for the White Dot apparel and shoes, as well as the Yellow Dot apparel and shoes, and also the Green Star apparel, shoes, hats, and handbags. Alright guys, so there you have it for our Dollar General penny list. Keep in mind that those will penny out starting on Tuesday, November the 8th. Now, in my opinion, this is a really good penny list, considering we do have all of those awesome food items and bottled water. When do we get bottled water for a penny? So I'm going to be up bright and early Tuesday morning to see what all I can find. You guys let me know what your plans are down in the comment section below. Are you going to be there first thing in the morning when Dollar General opens up their doors? Now, while you're thinking about it, keep in mind that we have a lot of really awesome clearance markdowns that will begin on Tuesday as well. So let's go ahead and go over our clearance list. Alright, so first up on our clearance list, we have all of our Halloween items. So we have the Halloween candy, we have the Halloween apparel and socks, we have the Halloween party supplies, and all of the seasonal Halloween items. So all of our Halloween items will go down to 50% off starting on Tuesday. Now, I do want to go ahead and point out that right now we have a quick little kind of pop-up Dollar General clearance event going on because DG did pull a fast one for this one. But the good news is that it is only seasonal items, and the Halloween items are included. So if you guys go out shopping today on Monday, November the 7th, the Halloween items are currently at 25% off. But since they are included in the clearance event, they are an additional 50% off. So if you guys are looking to pick up any Halloween items, I would definitely go out today and pick those up because it's a much better deal than just a regular 50% off price tag. Now, if you guys want all the details for that Dollar General clearance event, make sure that you go back and check out yesterday's video where I go over all of the new coupons, the glitches, and the clearance event information, and I will have that video linked in the pinned comment down below for you. Alright, so next up we have a new category that is joining our clearance markdowns, and that is on the picnic paper plates and bowls. So these are going to be 10% off starting on Tuesday. So first up we have the 8.5 inch Dixie limited edition paper plates, 38 count. Next up we have the Dixie 10 inch paper plates, 26 count. And we also have the 10-ounce Dixie paper bowls, 36 count. Alright, next up we have the lawn and garden items. These are going to be going down to 90% off starting on Tuesday. Now y'all keep in mind that this does exclude the charcoal, propane, coolers, fans, potting soil, grills, hoses, and citronella fuel. Now another category that is going down to 90% off are our swim and summer toys. So you guys want to be on the lookout for that pink square on the price tag. Now this category does exclude the bubbles and chalk. Next up, we also have our spring and summer stationery and party supplies. These will also be going down to 90% off. Now, y'all keep in mind that since all of these items are going down to 90% off, we should expect these to penny out in the next couple of weeks as well. And last but certainly not least, in our 90% off clearance, we have the 4th of July and patriotic party items. Now, here's a quick little cheat sheet for you all. So all of the categories that are going to be 90% off include the lawn and garden, swim and summer, spring and summer, and 4th of July items. Now, before you go, I wanted to let you know that just in case you haven't been following too closely, I have been posting the new Dollar General clearance markdowns and penny list on my YouTube channel as a shorts video. So that is a video that is 1 minute or less. So it makes it super simple and easy for you guys to just watch that quick little video and you are done and ready to go shopping. But I have been noticing that a lot of you guys have been missing those videos because YouTube does not send out notifications for the YouTube Shorts. So just keep in mind that I usually post those Sunday or Mondays, and you can find them by going to my YouTube channel and hitting the Shorts button up there at the top. Or you can also find them by clicking on the playlist. I actually have a YouTube Shorts playlist where I put all of those videos. Now, whenever you guys open up your YouTube app, make sure that you are clicking on subscriptions. I have a little arrow down there at the bottom pointing toward that button. Because if you didn't know, when you open up the YouTube app, that puts you on your home page. If you scroll down through there, you're going to see a bunch of random videos that YouTube is recommending you to watch. But if you click on your subscription tab, that is going to pull up all of the recent videos from the people that you have subscribed to, including their YouTube Shorts. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and I wish each and every one of you good luck with your clearance and penny shopping. Now, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day and I will see you on the next one.